Here is one mobile banking app, Your Money Simplified. So let's just tap and you'll just be able to install it easily with your Face ID, Touch ID on your phone. So that's how you can get it installed. An app that helps you save, spend, and grow your money all in one place. Open an account for free today with no impact to your credit score. Banking services in one card provided by Coastal Community Bank, member FDC, under license by MasterCard. There are insured deposits, no monthly fees, 3% cashback at Walmart, early payday, cash rewards, free overdraft protection, add or take out cash for free, enhanced security and convenience. So that's what you can get. Then just open up the app and then just join one. Let's see if you can create your account. And then you just start creating your account starting with the phone number.